Hey YouTubers, today's quick how-to video will cover a repair of the ATH-ANC40BT. Now I got this a while back ago, it served me pretty well. The noise cancelling function is pretty decent and it's functioned well in terms of both a headphone as well as a headset when using my phone. Over time, the ANC switch has either accumulated crud or dirt inside of it, and despite blasting it out a few times via the charging port, it just hasn't helped. It's gotten so bad to the point where now, regardless of on or off, I guess the dust is creating contact issues, thereby creating either loss of sound in one ear or poor active noise cancelling. To fix the issue, you're going to need to get some deoxit in here, but you're going to need to take this apart, and how you get to that is there's a little plastic covering here, which in the interest of saving time I've already removed, and underneath that there's a tiny screw. Grab a pH0, unscrew that out, then you're going to remove this cover. I would start from the screw side, gently lift it out because there's a prong on the other side. Now once that's out of the way, you're now going to be able to see that noise cancelling switch there. So just grab some deoxit and give it a healthy spray directly onto the switch. Again, I've already done this, so that's why I'm just trying to save some time here. Then once you see the deoxit is floating around there, go ahead and flip that ANC switch on and off a few times to work the deoxit in there and finally hopefully get rid of the crud. So once you do that, that should resolve the issue, and it's certainly resolved mine. So now that when I turn it on and off, it works perfectly again. So this issue is not necessarily unique to this headphone. There can be other headphones or equipment similar whereby there's an electronic switch, and whatever that governs, if dirt or dust has accumulated in there, it interferes with the electrical connectivity. That should resolve most of the issues. Now, just one note is that after reinstallation, based upon my experience of removing these things, as well as similar ones on different equipment, these get loose after the first time you pry them out. So just be sure that you've pushed it back in fully and that it's very nice and snug, but keep an eye on it. It may eventually fall out. If you're really worried, maybe apply some tape around the edges so it develops some kind of stickiness, then push it back in. Anyway, very quick how-to. Thanks again for watching.